Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another live forex trading video for you guys. Currently I'm in the EURAUD sell trade. According to my secret market scanner, EURAUD was a sell for the day, and this trade was also given to my free Telegram subscribers also in advance. So if you have not joined my free Telegram channel yet, please join it to get more free trades. And let me just close this trade. My target has now been achieved. So I made more than $750 in this trade for one of my clients, and this trade was placed on several other clients' accounts too. So this is how I make money for my clients, and this is how I trade using my secret market scanner. And now I have a good news for you guys. I will give away my secret market scanner for free to one of the user who comment on this video. I will select randomly one guy and will give away my secret market scanner for free, including my free manual trading system. The whole package is worth $500 and I'll give it to you guys for free. Do post your comment in the comment section below, and I really appreciate if you can smash the like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more videos and can send you more free stuffs. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.